Thirikari kugerera ruhonge rwa kuramata mititu KFS ni yambikite mungururio wa kuhurana na turia nime turia tuthiete na mbere na guthukangia mititu. Murugamiri munene wa KFS Alex LEMARKOKO oigite mungururio urathie na mbere mutito-ini wa mao uria uthiete na mbere na kuanangwo.
Operation kicked off last Friday and it has been going on this second week, and we have made very good progress in terms of stopping the illegalities. We have made arrests. We have also impounded materials.
Thutha wa thirikari kugatheka mukana wa ugethi wa miti turia nime tukoretwo tukihuthira wara gutema miti mutito-ini wa mao makionora magoko na kumia muti uria macokaga gutema na thoo ya moko.
Major activities that we found there were illegal logging for cedar posts, charcoal burning, logs from plantations, and we've made the arrests of more than 30 people have been arrested as of now, and they have been taken processed through the courts of law.
Kuona thukangi yuthiite na mbere mititu-ini itiganite, thirikari ni yambikite uhandi wa miti bilioni 15. LEMARKOKO akihithuria mubango uyu ukuhuthira muigana wa ciringi bilioni 600.
Engaging farmers in and basically these are community forest associations. By engaging them in that program, we are actually making up to 60% of our savings in terms of the cost of establishment of a plantation per hectare, which is normally about 2.5 million to 2.6 million, 250,000 shillings per hectare.
Na ne budget ino gukorwo iri iguru, LEMARKOKO oigite me gukorwo makinyitanira na arimi kugacirithia makiria ma eka 400,000 iria ciri rungu rwa mubango wa PELIS.
Studies have shown that families who participate in this particular system earn almost between 5,000 and 15,000 Kenya shillings per year from this system. And if you look at it, we usually open up to 3,000 hectares per year for this particular process. You are seeing almost 45 million Kenya shillings, and if you put it in the whole value chain, it's almost 4 billion Kenya shillings worth of an activity.
Uthukangia wa mititu utigite bururi-ini unyihu wa mbao muigana wa kilo bilioni 13 na gucungiriria. Uthukangia wa mititu utigite bururi-ini unyihu wa mbao muigana wa kilo bilioni 13 na gucungiriria mbao ici kugurwo mabũrũri-inĩ ma nanja. Bururi ugite muigana wa ciringi bilioni 3.6 oro mwaka.
Kenya used to have the best program. Today we are importing timber from our neighbors. And we have beautiful growing areas. So why should we import timber? At that rate, we are going to import even firewood. And the rest will change our practice.
Ruhonge rwa KFS riu rugite mukana wa ugethi wa miti ni ukweherio riu makirongoreria kugetha makiria ma eka 12,000.
In the course of the year, hopefully, when the moratorium is lifted, we are likely to clear 5,000 hectares of land, and certainly this land within the next 2 years must get under PELIS.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Gitau wa Wajiko.